If you are paying monthly for tools you barely use, you are probably hosting NASA on your credit card. Funnels, emails, graphics, websites, all charging you every month and still giving you fancy dashboards with no results. 2025 Christmas Suite claims to fix this without subscriptions, without tech headaches. Let's see if that's real. Hey, Kamal here from TestedOps.com. 6 years in affiliate marketing and SEO. Hundreds of tools tested. Many made me cry into my coffee. Today's video is an honest review. No fluff, no hype hangover, just real value breakdown. This is my review of 2025 Christmas Suite. Quick heads up, if you grab this through my link below, you get my exclusive bonus stock. Real bonuses, stuff I actually use. Details in the description. Now let's break this down properly. 2025 Christmas Suite is an all-in-one AI software bundle. It's built for marketers and business owners who are tired of juggling 10 tools. The main promise is simple. Do everything from one dashboard. Pay once, stop bleeding money every month. This is not one tool. It's 8 business apps bundled together. Websites, funnels, emails, graphics, affiliate sites, content, all under one roof. The setup is refreshingly simple. Step 1, you log in. No rocket science, no secret handshake. Step 2, you pick what you want to create. Website, funnel, blog, video, ebook. Click a button, type a few words. Step 3, the system builds it for you. Page is live, content ready, no PhD required. If you can use Google Docs, you can use this. Let's talk real benefits, not buzzwords. First big win, you replace multiple monthly tools. That alone saves serious money. Instead of paying for funnel builders, email tools, design software, and site builders, you pay once. Second win, speed. You create assets fast. No waiting on freelancers, no back and forth emails. Third win, beginner friendly. No coding, no design skills, no YouTube tutorial rabbit hole. Fourth win, everything works together. One login, one dashboard, no duct taping tools like it's 2016. That alone lowers stress. Let's talk numbers. The front end price is $19, one time. Now compare that. A funnel builder alone can be $90 to $300 per month. Email software, another $50 to $100 monthly. Design tools, $20 to $50 monthly. That's easily $500 per month, or $6,000 a year. This, pay once, own access. Your wallet finally breathes. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Stop whatever you are doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before premium business suite that's loaded with 8 hottest selling products for less than the price of one only during this launch period. Yes, what you're going to get in this offer today is something that we've not given before and is available only for a very limited period of time. So if you too are willing to have an unforgettable Christmas and use these 8 sizzling apps to make real commissions and make 2026 one of the most profitable years in your life, without creating a single funnel or website yourself, without trying multiple AI design tools, without learning complex coding and designing skills, without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement, and finally, say goodbye to monthly charging third-party platforms like Canva, VO3, HubSpot, ClickFunnels, OptinMonster, Leadpages, etc. You're in for a great surprise today. Presenting 2025 Christmas Suite, never before offered suite of 8 premium business-boosting apps for less than the price of one, and say final goodbye to paying monthly for expensive third-party platforms. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, create. Number 3, publish and profit. Here are the 8 stunning apps that you get inside this suite today. Premium App 1, Hybrid AI. World's first and only AI tech that creates scroll-stopping viral human plus animal hybrid videos clients can't stop watching in 3 clicks. Premium App 2, Azon Auto Sites. World's first app powered by Amazon's latest AI tech. Rufus transforms your single keyword into stunning DFY Amazon sites loaded with 350 million ready-to-sell, highly profitable products in any language and niche. Premium App 3, Imagio AI, combines 15 premium AI design tools into one powerhouse suite in minutes. No more subscriptions, no more patchwork tools, just lightning-fast image generation, background removal, enhancement, and pro-level visuals in one click. Premium App 4, AI Funnels, brand new 2025 AI app, transforms your ideas, keywords, and voice command prompts into stunning websites, funnels, blogs, in any niche and language in less than 60 seconds. Premium App 5, Deal Sites. World's first secret click and publish system automatically creates 100% DFY, self-updating Amazon and eBay affiliate deal sites that instantly rank on Google in just 3 steps at an unbeatable low one-time price. Premium App 6, WP AI Engine. Breakthrough, the all-in-one WordPress AI app lets you send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers, create 100,000 SEO optimized done-for-you blogs, build 50,000 plus ultra-fast, profitable funnels, sales pages, checkout pages at an unbeatable low one-time price. Premium App 7, Easy Ebook Creator. World's first AI app, auto creates up to 50,000 amazing, fully functional ebooks for any offer in any niche with 0 writing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. Premium App 8, WP AI Hub. World's first AI app transforms your boring WordPress into amazing AI WordPress powered with must-have 200-plus AI apps from a single dashboard at an unbeatable low one-time price. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We are confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution, but make it fast as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, and this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee, but you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, 2025 Christmas Suite will only be available for a premium monthly fee only, so you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get 2025 Christmas Suite for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Now about the upgrades, these are optional. OTO 1 is Pro, this removes limits. More features, more power. Good if you plan to use this seriously. OTO 2 is Unlimited, this removes usage caps. Best for volume builders and agencies. OTO 3 is Meta, advanced expansion features, only for experienced users. OTO 4 is DFY, done for you setups, great if you value time over tinkering. OTO 5 is Agency, client usage, sell services, charge recurring fees. OTO 6 is Reseller, you resell the software. Only worth it if you have traffic. OTO 7 is White Label, rebrand everything, advanced business move. You do not need all of these, choose based on your goals. Here's my honest take. I tested this as a cost cutter, not a magic money machine. I used it to spin up test assets, funnels, content, affiliate pages. It passed my speed test. It saved time, it reduced tool hopping. Is it perfect? No. Is it useful? Yes, especially if you are tired of paying rent to 10 different platforms. This is about control, not miracles. Let's be clear. This is not a push-button income system. You still need effort, you still need traffic, you still need strategy. If you hate learning anything new, this is not for you. If you expect instant riches, keep scrolling. This is a tool set, not a lottery ticket. Used right, it saves time and money. Now imagine this. No more monthly tool anxiety, no more checking invoices, no more canceling subscriptions. You wake up, log into one dashboard, build what you need, move on with your day. That's what 2025 Christmas Suite unlocks. Launch pricing is live right now. One-time payment, no guarantees it stays this low. If you want simplicity, control, and fewer headaches, check the link below. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews. This is Kamal from TestedOps.com. I'll see you in the next one.